What's up, good people? Hope you all are doing great. Do you know what is the most powerful thing in this world? It's money. Money is the most powerful thing. Money makes you powerful, money gives you freedom, but earning a lot of money is not enough. You have to know how to manage your money. If you cannot manage your money properly, your earning will not create any benefit in your life. But if you can manage your money properly, you can be a wealthy person no matter if you earn more money or earn less money. The person who can smartly manage his money, he builds the empire wherever he goes. Money management is the ultimate tool that brings you wealth. So you have to master the skill of money management. In this video, I'll share 6 important money management tips with you. So please hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Tip number 1, save money weekly instead of monthly. You need to start saving money from your income. Okay, that's a very basic thing and everyone knows about this. Most of us save our money monthly. For example, if we make $2,000 a month, we save $400 from this at the end of month. Here you need to change this habit. Okay, you have to change this habit. Why? I'm telling you why. You have to save 1/4 of $500 every week. Let me explain how it brings the difference in your life. There are 2 benefits of saving money weekly. Firstly, it's much easier to save $100 a week than saving $400 a month because the amount is smaller and we can easily separate this money from our wallet. But it's hard to separate a big amount at the end of month. So saving money weekly is easy. Second benefit of saving money weekly is much more interesting. Let's have a look at this chart. If you save $400 a month, you will save $4,800 at the end of a year. 400 multiplies by 12 months. Simple, right? Now, if you save weekly, then you can save $5,200 at the end of a year. So you are saving 1 month extra. It's amazing, right? Now, how this happens? There is no magic here. It's simple math. There are 52 weeks in a year, so 100 multiplied by 52 is $5,200. So start saving weekly and this will give you some extra money to your hand at the end of a year. Here comes the tip number 2. Tip number 2 is invest. Invest your money in a place where you can get 10 to 15% return because annual inflation rate is 6 to 9% on average, which means money losing its value 6 to 9% every year. For example, this year you can buy a mobile phone with $100. You have to spend $108 to buy the same mobile phone next year. This is called inflation. So you have to find an investment option where you can beat the inflation. So if you choose stocks, cryptos, real estate investment, whatever it is, you have to choose an investment option. Most of the banks' interest rate is less than the inflation rate. So if you deposit your money on bank, ultimately you are losing money at the end of the day. So try to invest smartly. Tip number 3 for you, stop borrowing and pay your debts. You have to stop borrowing money from others. Try to manage with whatever you have. Don't borrow and try to get out of all your debts. Remember what Lannisters used to say in Game of Thrones. A Lannister always pays his debts. You have to be a Lannister and pay all your loans first. Then you have to promise to yourself that I'm never gonna borrow any money from anyone. If you are using a credit card, stop using this immediately. Remember, a credit card would never let you become rich. It's a liability. Remove all the liabilities from your life and start building your assets. Tip number 4. Learn the magical word no. You have to learn the magical word no in your money management journey. If you can discover the magic of this word, your life would be very easy and smooth. Say no to credit cards, say no to borrowing money, say no to loans, say no to spending much on restaurants. Okay, I'm not saying don't spend money on your recreation. You must spend for recreation because this is one of the purposes of earning money. Saving is not the only purpose of making money, right? We make money for a purpose, and the purpose is making our life easier, getting the things that we want, getting the things that makes us happy. But we have to be careful with spending during the early stage of our life, because this is the time when we are building the foundation, and this is the toughest time of our life. If you can control this for a few years and make a decent amount of money, this money will attract more money. So we have to play carefully during the first few years. Here comes the tip number 5 for you, and that can help you with not spending much. Tip number 5, ask yourself if it is a need or a want. Okay, let's say if you are feeling like buying a new jacket, ask yourself if it's a need or want. Do you really need this jacket, or it's just a want? Wait 7 days. Ask yourself again. If you feel like buying this jacket after 7 days, then go for this. In most of the cases, you won't feel like buying this jacket anymore. If this happens, this means it was not a need, it was just a want. Try to avoid the wants, and this will save you from spending a lot of money on unnecessary things. Tip number 6 for you, and this is the final tip. Make friends who talks about money. Right. Try to spend time with the people who talk about money. Make them friends. This will bring a great change in your life. People who talks about money often are very much aware with financial world, and they know how to make money. They know how to manage money. So make friend. Their company will create a very good impact on you. So stop spending time with aimless people and start making friends who understands money. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.